So here we are with the second video of chapter 9. In this we are going to find the general and particular solution of differential equation. How we'll know that how we'll be finding the general solution? In general solution, there will be arbitrary constants. Means some constant will be there, like when we do integration, we know that there is an integrating constant is also there. So whenever those things are there which are constant, then it is the general solution. And when we are given the value of x and y and we substitute it for finding that the value of that constant, then we get the particular solution. The solution free from arbitrary constant, that is the solution obtained from the general solution by giving particular values to the arbitrary constant, is called a particular solution of the differential equation. Now see this note. The order of a differential equation representing a family of curves is same as the number of arbitrary constants present in the equation corresponding to the family of curves. तो जितने arbitrary constant होते हैं वही हमारे उस differential equation की order के बराबर उसमें arbitrary constant होते हैं. So actually this is based for exercise 9.2, in which we have to prove that the given solution is the solution of the given differential equation. Let's do few questions, then you will be easily understanding how to proceed. See for exercise 9.2, this is your question number 1. We are given y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. And we have to prove that this is a solution of the differential equation y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. So we are given with y. So y is e to the power x plus 1. Let's differentiate and we get the value of y dash. Y dash becomes e to the power of x. And when we'll differentiate 1, we get 0 only. So we are having y dash is equal to e to the power of x. Now we also need the value of y double dash. So again integrating this same thing, we are getting y double dash is equal to e to the power of x. Again we are getting, now substituting the value of this y dash and y double dash in this given differential equation. So after substituting, I am getting e to the power x minus e to the power x, that is equal to 0. So hence we can say that the given function is the solution of the given corresponding differential equation. So in this whole exercise, we have to do maximum times this only. Let's do few more. Like you can see, this is your question number 4. In this, we have to find whether y is equal to under root 1 plus x square is the solution of the given differential equation. That is y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. So let's differentiate this y. So this y is under root 1 plus x square. And if after differentiating, I am getting here 1 upon 2 under root 1 plus x square. And using chain rule, I am getting again this value as 2x. D by dx of 1 plus x square, which I am getting this 2x. So y dash is 2x upon 2 under root 1 plus x square. 2 and 2 cancelled. And I am just here rationalizing it by multiplying under root 1 plus x square in the numerator and denominator. I am getting here x upon 1 plus x square under root 1 plus x square. And what is this? This is the given question, that is y only. So in place of this, I am substituting here y. So I am getting y dash is equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. So you can see this. This was the given differential equation. Hence we can say that the given function is the solution of the corresponding differential equation. Now let's see one more question over here. This is your question number 6. Y is equal to x sin x. And we have to show for x y dash plus y plus x under root x square plus minus y square. So first step as always, differentiate here. Y dash is equal to x sin x. We have to use the product rule over here. So we are using here product rule, sin x into d by dx of x. So we are getting sin x plus x cos x. Now substituting this value in the given differential equation. So I am substituting here x y dash, x into sin x plus x cos x. So I am getting here x sin x plus x square cos x. So see here x sin x. X sin x, what is the value of x sin x? That is this given function y. So I can put here as y plus x square. And in place of cos x, I can put here 1 under root of 1 minus sine square x. And in place of sine square x, I can put here y upon x from the given question. So you have to keep an eye on both the things, that what you are supposed to prove and what is the given value. You cannot proceed all the questions in the same way. So here just see, in place of sine x, I am putting here y upon x, and just taking the LCM and solving it, I am getting this required one value. Y plus x under root y square minus x square, or you can write x square minus y square. So this is, you can say that the given function, this x, y is equal to x sin x, is the solution of this corresponding differential equation, right? Let's do one or two questions more, then you can easily practice it at your home. So again the question is, y minus cos y is equal to x, y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash is equal to y. So differentiating again the same way. So this differentiation of y is y dash of cos y, it's minus sin y, which becomes plus sin y, y dash, using this chain rule. Plus 1, and taking y dash common, I am getting here 1 plus sin y. So y dash is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin y. Now in this value of y dash, I am substituting in this equation. See here, I had substituted here, right? So it is y sin y plus cos y plus x. In place of x, I had put the value from this given function, y minus cos y. So this cos y plus and minus cos y will be cancelled out. We are having y sin y plus y. So taking y common, I am getting here 1 plus sin y. And in the denominator also it is 1 plus sin y, which will be cancelled. And the answer becomes y. So this is our RHS. So you can see that this is equal to y. So hence we can say that y minus cos y, this is the solution of the corresponding differential equation. Let's do one more last question, question number 10. So this is y is equal to under root a square minus x square, where x is belonging to minus a to a, and we have to prove for the differential equation x plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. So again the same way we'll differentiate this. So let's differentiate. Y dash is becoming, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root a square minus x square. Again using chain rule, dy by dx of a square minus x square. A square is a constant term, so this will become 0, and this is becoming minus 2x, 2 and 2 cancelled. And rationalizing it, dy by dx is minus x upon under root a square minus x square. So in this given value, we are putting here the value, this is minus x upon under root a square minus x square. Right? So we had substituted here x plus y, also y had substituted, and here these two terms are going cancelled. So we are getting here x and minus x, which are again cancelled. I am getting 0, which we were supposed to prove. So this is basically the concept in exercise 9.2. So you have to finish this 9.2 exercise into your notebooks.